Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do live stream in the Shorts feed on PC. So in a brand new YouTube update, YouTube announced a new feature that allows you to live stream vertically and get discovered in the Shorts feed, just like regular Shorts. So for the setup is actually pretty similar to live streaming horizontally. So first in your recording or streaming software, so make sure the resolution is 1080 by 1920. This is the resolution that will work best for the short feed. Next, go to YouTube Studio and click on the Go Live option. It will show as like a logo. Once you are in the live stream settings, copy the stream key, adjust your title how you want, then go back to your stream software and paste in the stream key that you copied in the stream key section earlier. Finally, you can start streaming assuming you already configured all your sources and everything you want to record. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.